Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Squeak from Brawl Stars. So let's get started. To draw this cute alien, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big circle. Let's start off with a big circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about this much, that's too wide, about there, and draw another circle. So I don't mind if my circle's a little wider. There. So I got two big circles. Then I'm going to come towards this edge right here and draw an oval right next to it. Right here. And I'll come in here with a circle on this top corner and shade everything else in. And same thing, so towards this edge now. So go right here and here. And same thing, highlight and shade it in. And there. Okay, got these two eyes in. Now in between the eyes, I'm going to very lightly just draw a curve. Just very lightly. There. And then we're going to come to the center, come straight down, say about this much. I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw a big curve right underneath the eye. I'm going to come out right underneath the eye. Go all the way out. And we just kind of want to go all the way out until say about right here. So nice and wide. And same thing on the other side. So we're going to go out, nice and wide. There. And then in between, we're going to draw his big tongue. So about right here, I'll go ahead and give myself a point, and then about, say, right here. And I'll go all the way around. So we're just going to round, big round fat tongue and in. And then in the center right here, I'm just going to give myself a small little line. From there, let's draw his head. So I'm going to come to say maybe the center of this eye. So say about right here, I'll come out just a little bit, maybe like right here above, and give myself a point. Pretty close to the eye. So same thing, the center, and about right here. So right on top. From there, I'm going to draw a curve right over the eye. So you just want to make sure this is right over the eye, not too high. And I'm going to draw a curve right up and then come right back down. There, nice big curve. From there, I'm going to bring this curve down more. So it's just going to get a little bit wider and come to say about right here where the smile is, and I'll stop. And same thing here. So about right here. Just make it nice and even. Bring it down a little bit more. Now to draw his hair at the top. So I'm going to use this as my guide where his eye is up and come straight up about right here. And I'll start with my first strand. So nice and round, and then just bring it in. And then we're going to tuck another one about right here. And bring it in. There, now it's extra cute, right? Okay, so then we have this hat we need to draw. So right in this area, I'll just go ahead and angle a line right there, and the other side, so about right here, kind of like this sailor hat, right? So just two angle lines, and just go ahead and connect it. However it's easier. If it's easier, you can draw this curve first and then bring down the angle lines. From there, I'm going to draw this little dome at the top. And then this decoration right here. So kind of about right here. Find my center. My center is about right here. I'll just give myself a point, just a little bit easier. And I'll draw this curve for this crest shape here. And curve right in the center. And then we're going to draw this shape inside. So we're basically following this crest shape, but we're just adding two notches on the side. So following, and about right here, we're going to come out with a curve follow, and then go up, follow, notch, and follow. So hopefully I helped you with that shape right there. And then now we can finally draw his body. So right underneath his big tongue, we're going to draw a really big circle. So let's say about right here. I'll go ahead and start. So just basically as wide as his tongue. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this really big circle. Now that we have this big circle in, let's go ahead and draw the straps. So come back right here, and I'll say about right here is where I want to have this angle. I'll give myself a point, I'll come right across and just give myself another point, just so it's a little bit more even. From there, I'm going to angle. I'm going to connect these 2 points. There. And same thing over here. So if that was my point, I'm going to go all the way up. There. So now I've cut it off. And then I'm going to find the center of my circle. Just say about approximate. Just say about here. I'll go ahead and give myself a point. It's just a little bit easier to see where you're going. And from there, I'm going to come out here and pop this out. The strap. So I'm still kind of following the curve. I'm just going to pop it out and I'll aim right back to here. So nice thick straps. And so same thing over here. Pop it out. And once again, connect. Now for the bottom straps, but before we draw that, let's imagine this body is still coming through. So say about right here, I'm just going to give myself a little break and I'm going to bring down a curve. So just bring it down. So same thing over here, give a little break and then come about right here and draw a curve. So we're starting to draw the body. And so imagine this body is coming down. So I'm going to use this, come right here to draw the other strap. So, you know what, it's going to be about right here and here. So I'll bring this down a little bit more. And I'll come out. I'm going to pop this out and just going to draw an angle. So just remember this angle is basically a continuation of this one right here. So that's what I'm looking at when I'm drawing it. So then I'll go ahead once again, following my body, and I'm going to end it about right here, just like the other side. I mean, just like the top. Give myself a point. I'm coming here. And I'll go ahead and draw this angle and connect. There. So once again, same thing. So we're continuing this angle all the way across. All the way across. And about right there. Pop it out. And connect. There. Hopefully I didn't make that too complicated. So you just want to try your best to continue this to make it an X. Okay, so then from there we can finally come in here and we're just going to draw a little curve and a little curve. We're going to start his legs. So about in this area right underneath this circle and right here, I'm going to come to the center and give myself a point about right there. Using that as my guide, I'll go ahead and draw a big curve right underneath. And then we can go ahead and start his legs. So this being my center, I'm going to come out of a curve on both sides. And then I'll come right here, pop this in and then out a little bit. I'm just going to flare it out a little bit and connect. So same thing here. Just come here and then flare it out a tiny bit. Just a little indication for the feet. And connect. There. Nice and simple, right? Simplified. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the big arms. So I'm going to come right here. Draw a curve down. This is going to be out, nice and thick. So I'll come about here first and I'll draw a thumb. So nice and round and shallow. Then I'll come right here and draw the fingers so it's a little bit longer and connect all the way. And then right here, I'm just going to add a little curve for indication of the fingers. So same thing here, just like the other side. I'm going to come right here. And once again, so about in this area, thumb, nice and round, and then the fingers. Now come right here, once again, go in and come out. So just remember they're nice thick arms, so then come in and connect. And once again, a curve right here. Now that we're done with the main parts of this drawing, let's come in for some details. So I'm going to need to draw X right here. So I'll say about right here, I'll give myself a point. And here, nicely in the center, just a little bit easier for me to see what I'm doing. And I'll use this as my guide. Go up with a V, come down with a V, right here. And then I'll go ahead and use that. So this being my center, and that would be my center. And then we're going to go ahead and connect. Of course, you don't have to do it this way. You just go ahead and just draw an X. I just wanted to show you if you wanted to make it a little bit more even, that's how you would do it. And hopefully that helps. There. Okay, so then now that there's these buttons on the strap right here. So let's go with the first one. I think it's like a raindrop kind of shape. And I'll just come in here with two eyes, and then there's a circle one. It's like a happy face. And then there's, hopefully I have it right. The first one's a bone, so it's a slight angle. So I'm just going to come say about right here. Small little line, because I need to fit in these two big curves. The bone part right here, and then connect, and I'll just add two dots to simplify it. And then I believe this is a cat, right? I hope I'm not wrong. And the ears, I'm just simplifying. It'll just be a cat head, and I'll just put two dots in there. So they're all done. I really hope you love how the Squeak turned out from Brawl Stars, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.